Hey guys, I made a Macramé Raffia wreath. I used raffia, 3mm macrame cord, and a ring. I cut strips of raffia at 6 inches. Then attach the strips to the ring. I alternated using a lark's head knot and a reverse lark's head knot. To make a lark's head knot, fold the raffia in half. Place it over the ring and bring the ends through the loop created. To make a reverse lark's head knot, fold the raffia in half. Place the ends under the ring and bring the ends through the loop created. I began with a reverse lark's head knot. I left 6 inches at the end of my cord. Place the cord over the ring, then bring the end through the loop created. Move the raffia with a reverse lark's head knot next to it. Next, place the cord under the ring, then bring the end through the loop created. Flip the raffia to the back of the ring. The cord should be in the front when the raffia has a reverse lark's head knot. Move the raffia with a lark's head knot next to it. Then place the cord over the ring and bring the end through the loop created. Flip the raffia to the front of the ring. The cord should be in the back when the raffia has a lark's head knot. Repeat this pattern for the rest of the ring. At the end of the ring, I tied a knot in the back of the last raffia, which had a lark's head knot. I added glue before pulling the ends tight. I had 6.5 feet of extra cord, so 9.5 feet would have been enough for this ring size. I pulled the strands apart. and here's how it turned out.